Mosquitoes are dangerous primarily because they transmit diseases like malaria, dengue fever, and Zika virus, causing significant illness and death globally. To repel mosquitoes naturally, use mosquito repellent plants and essential oils like citronella or lavender. Employ mosquito nets, eliminate standing water, install screens, and use fans indoors. Wear protective clothing and avoid peak mosquito times. Consider vinegar traps or lemon and clove repellents for additional protection without resorting to insecticides. If natural methods are ineffective, insecticides become necessary. Insecticides can target mosquitoes at various stages of their life cycle. Larvicides are specifically designed to target mosquito larvae in their breeding habitats. For larval control, Timefos, spinosad, and pyriproxyfen are effective options. Timefos acts by inhibiting acetylcholinesterase enzymes in mosquito larvae, causing paralysis and death. Spinosad, a neurotoxin derived from soil bacteria, is effective in various aquatic habitats. Pyriproxyfen disrupts hormone signaling pathways in larvae, preventing the formation of adult structures. For adult mosquito control, synthetic insecticides are commonly used. Deltamethrin and alpha-cypermethrin, both synthetic pyrethroids, are effective for indoor residual spraying, IRS. They disrupt the nervous system of mosquitoes, providing several weeks to months of control. Bendiocarb, an insecticide used when resistance to pyrethroids is a concern, and pyramifos methyl, an organophosphate with moderate to long-term residual activity, are also used for IRS. Clothianide, a neonicotinoid, and lambdacyhalothrin, another synthetic pyrethroid, provide long-lasting control in malaria endemic areas. Always use insecticides as per label instructions and regulations. Wear appropriate protective gear during application and ensure proper ventilation. Additionally, integrate insecticide use with other control methods and adhere to local regulations and guidelines to minimize environmental impact and protect public health. Consultation with mosquito control experts is crucial for choosing the most appropriate formulation and application method. Thanks for watching our pesticide info video. Follow us for more updates and subscribe on YouTube. Your support keeps us making helpful videos. Stay connected.